Welcome to the 23rd Tri-Annual Pac-Ball Regional Championships. Can I get a waka waka?
Waka waka, chop chop chop.
I'm so packed full of excitement. Miru, Pac-Wiz, thanks for coming with me.
Pac, my boy, how else was I going to fill my bag of screams?
Oh, the spectacle, the teamwork, the food. No wonder Pac-Ball is so popular. Oh boy, any more food and you're gonna have to roll me out of here.
Packer Jacks, come get your Packer Jacks.
Ooh.
Will the Pac villagers soon be sent packing? Or did you bite off more than they can chew?
Kick it to the moon, big dog!
That melty popsicle stole the ball.
Hey, pallet head, I'm a ghost.
Oh, they're booing. They love us.
Security!
Those were glitch tear screams!
Holy pack-a-moley! Hey, Pac fans! Don't pack up yet.
Oh, I'm more of a hype man anyway.
Quick, where's the kiss cam? Did I just get ghosted?
Don't hurt me! Wait! My nephew has been haunting me for an autograph!
Oh, Packer Jacks. Game over for the both of us.
Oh.
Waka wowza! You really kicked their keisters! Too bad the ball got busted.
Hey kid, you ever think about going pro?
Have I ever? Let's roll!
Pac villagers are the new champions!